São Paulo Biennial is the second oldest biennial in the world. São Paulo was founded in 1951 and has run continuously until now, till its 33rd edition. So having seen her work for the first time, and particularly the installation that she has set up in her studio, the image and the impression of that work stuck with me for some time. And asking myself, why am I unable to place this work in sort of the various pigeonholes that we all manage within the contemporary art world? This is one of those cases where it doesn't fit into the pigeonhole, so you just deal with the work itself. And I think that's one of the interesting issues with her work, is that you really have to meet it on its own terms. It's very unusual material. We're used to thinking of rocks, stones, crystals in a completely different way, in a much more instrumental relationship, and so to come and kind of encounter them as a sculptural material, as a material for contemporary art, seemed to me a really sort of unique opportunity. So that's where I decided to invite her and give her a very significant space within this biennial building where we are right now, to really have it as not just one piece in a group show, but as something that kind of has a lot of space around it that people really have time to encounter. So, over the years, Denise has really developed a very elaborate system for interpreting and, reading and understanding the significance of those stones. And she creates very complex narratives that run through these installations about birth and genesis and, development and realization. Now, when we think of, the 900,000 people who are going to visit this exhibition, what I'm interested in is that people will bring very much their own experience. Everyone has some kind of relationship to this material. And it really strikes me that it hasn't been used more often as an artistic material. It's almost as if it's too powerful, too strong to kind of be brought into this world. So I'm very interested in what will happen with this amount of rock and crystal in this space where we're sitting right now, in the context of a contemporary art show.